Thank you for your purchase of a Best Home Furnishings glider rocker. To start, pull hardware off of the glider base. Set the top of the glider onto the base. Insert bolt into the hole on the top of the seat. Lift the top away from the base to help align the bolt with the threads in the base. Turn the head of the bolts a couple turns to get it started. Do not fully tighten down the bolt. Repeat the process for the 3 remaining bolts. Once all 4 bolts are started, go ahead and finish tightening all 4 bolts. Place back cushion into the glider. Then place the seat cushion into the glider. You are now finished and can enjoy your new Best Home Furnishings Glide Rocker.